Here's the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a system moving away from the state, and that's going to bring us a little bit of cooler conditions over the next couple of days, with readings back into at least the upper 70s, middle upper 70s to lower 80s. Humidity levels will come down a bit as well. Any activity looks to stay pretty much to the north and south of the state, with mainly partly to mostly sunny skies around today and again here as we move into Friday. And as you see here on Friday, high pressure will be overhead. Any shower and thunderstorm activity will be to our east and south, with highs still remaining in the middle to upper 70s to the lower and maybe even some middle 80s as well. However, as we head into Friday night and into the weekend, the shower and thunderstorm chances do come back again. Better chances look to be Friday night into Saturday, but then again Saturday night and into Sunday. We can't rule out any activity during the day, but the better chances look to be at night and into the morning hours. You see here on Sunday, the chances look to be here at Sunday midday that there still could be some activity around. So Sunday looks to be the day that could have a little more activity around. Then as that moves off, another high pressure system comes down early next week, and that will keep our temperatures starting out the week a little bit seasonal, with readings in the lower 80s or so, lower middle 80s, with some lower humidities. However, as we head toward the middle of the week, you can see a system comes in with some showers and thunderstorms, and that's unfortunately going to be the beginning of what could be a fairly decent heat wave as we look toward the middle and end of next week. And you'll see that here as the winds turn southwesterly. That'll warm us well up into the 80s and even some lower 90s as well. Getting still a little bit iffy on shower and storm chances. They're going to start to wane as we move toward the middle and end of the week, as all the rain, or at least the systematic rain from any systems, will be to our north. Popcorn showers and storms as typical across the south, but we look to remain mainly dry into the middle and end of next week. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm, but it'll be very few and far between. It'll be mainly warm to hot and humid, with readings well into the 80s and 90s, probably more 90s than 80s. And this is why that is a ridge. That is what you typically see in July. That's the dog days of summer right there. Main storm track in Canada, pretty much a heat dome. So that's going to mean it's going to be dry. Can't rule out a shower or storm. The chance ain't zero. But mainly it's going to be sunny, highs in the 90s. It's going to be heat indices at or above 100. So next week looks to be really hot. Satellite image from last evening. Showers and thunderstorms just to our south and east. Little bit of cloudiness to the north. That's with a fairly big low pressure center that's sort of occluding as it's slowly moving to the north and east. But it's going to bring us some cooler air over the next couple of days. Watch warning map from last evening was fairly quiet. A few thunderstorm warnings across the country. Some heat issues across the east coast and down across West Texas. But otherwise, it was fairly quiet at this point. The QPF chart over the next 5 days, some precipitation, maybe up to a half to 1 inch, but some of this fell last night. Well, very little of it fell last night, but we could see at least another half to 1 inch over the next couple of days with any thunderstorms.